Good morning, dear students. Are you fine now? Are you ready for maths class? Yes. In previous class, we studied multiplication by one digit number and two digit number. Multiplication by two digit number and one digit number. Okay. In this class, we are going to study multiplication by multiplication by 10, 20, 10, 20, 30 and 90. Okay. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. Listen here. Multiply by 6. Multiply by 6. Listen. To multiply a number by 10. A number by 10. Write 0 to the right of the number to get the product. Okay. Listen. To multiply a number by 10 write a 0 to the right of the number to get the product. To multiply a number by 10. Listen carefully. To multiply a number by 10, write a 0 to the right of the number to get the product. Listen. All of you listen. All of you listen. Multiply by 10. 6. Multiply by 10. 6 into 10. Listen. 6 into 10. We multiply the 6 into 10. Listen. 6 into 1 equal 6. Listen carefully. This is the easy way to multiply 0 numbers or 10. Listen. Equal 6 and write 0 to the right side of this number. 6 into 1. Okay. 6 into 1 equal 6. That is 6 into 10 equal 60. Write the 6 and write 0 in the right side of this number. This 6, the left side and the right side. 0, write 0 in the right side. Okay. Next, 25. 25 into 10. 25 into 10. Listen. 25 into 1 equal 25. 25. Write a 0 in the right side of 25. Okay. 250. Next, listen. Next, listen. 38 into 10. 38 into 10 equal 38 into 1. Which number? 38 into 1. 38. Write a 0 in the right side of 38. Okay. Very good. 380. Yes. Next. 55 into 10. 55 into 10 equal 55 into 1. Okay. 55. 55 and put a 0 in the right side of 55. Yes. 55 into 10 equal 550. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Do you finish? Yes. Next. 20. 20. Yes. Sorry. Next, all of you write. Take your textbook. Take your textbook. Open the page number 44. There is some exercises. Exercise number 7. Exercise number 7. Multiply orally. All of you write it in your or fill in the blanks in your textbook and write it in your notebook. Okay. Next, multiplying by 20. Multiply by 20. Listen. 20. Listen. 45 into 20 equal, we write it in 25 into 2 into 5, 2 into 5, 10, 1, 2 into 4, 8 plus. Next, add 1 0 in the left side of 90. Next, we are 3 to 62 into 30. 62 into 30. We multiplied by 3. 3 into 2 equals 6. 3 into 6, 18. We write 0 in the right side of 186. The answer is 1860. Okay, in this way you finish this work. Multiply the following. This you finish the works in this textbook and rewrite in your notebook. Write in your notebook. Next, multiplication by 100, 200, 100, 200 and 300. 100. Multiplying by 100, 200, 300, 900. Listen. Multiplying by 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700. Yes, next 800 and 900. Yes. Multiply by hundreds and write 2 zeros to the right of the products. In 10, we multiply by 10, we write 10 in the right side of that number and multiply by hundreds, we write 2 zeros in the right number of that number. Listen, 3 into 100 equal 3 into 100, 3 and add or write 20, 300. Next, 5 into 0, 100, 5 and 20, write 20, 500. Next, like that, 7 into 200, 7 into 2 equal 14, 14 and write 2 zeros in right side of 14. Okay, so that we write all numbers in this way. 8 into 700. Listen, 8 into 700 equal 8 into 700 equal 8 into 7. 8 into 7. Okay. 8 into 7. 56. Okay. And this. Listen here. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook and study well. And understand. Do you understand? Yes. Okay. Next, listen. In your textbook. In your textbook. Page number 46. Page number 46. Multiply by 100, 200, 100, 300, 500 and fill in the boxes. All of you write it in your textbook and rewrite in notebook. Next, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. All of you write it in your textbook. Fill in the textbook and rewrite in your notebook. Next, some word problems. Right? Some word problems. All of you listen. Listen carefully. All of you listen carefully. Word problems. Word problems. Okay. Listen. A box contains 36 apples. 36 apples. How many apples? How many apples are there? In 18 such boxes. All of you listen carefully. A box contains 36 apples. How many apples are there in 18 such boxes? Listen. All of you listen. Say word problem. Listen here. First, solution. Solution first. Number of apples. Number of apples in one box, equal, yes, good, equal 36. Good. Next, number of apples in 18 boxes equal, yes, 36 into 18. 36 into 18. Listen. 36 into 18. 36. Listen. All of you listen here. 36 into 18. 36 into 18. 36 into 18. Ones, tens, hundreds, and or thousands. The 36 into 18. Ones, tens, hundreds, okay, and thousands. Listen. 8 into 6. 8 into 6, 48. 48, 4 carry in the tens place. Next, 8 into 3. 8 into 3, 24. Plus 4, 28. 2 carries on hundreds place. Yes. Next. 1 into 6. There is no, this is the tens place number. There is no numbers. Okay. 1 into 3 equal 3. Okay, 8, 4, 6, 648, 648. Okay, all of you listen here. There is some problems in here, some more problems in your textbook. Exercise number 1. Solve these word problems in your notebook. In your notebook, there are 8 problems. All of you write it in your notebook. Okay. Our first chapter, this first chapter, multiplication is over. Multiplication is over. We studied about multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition and multiplying by number line and multiplying by 1 digit number, 2 digit number and tens, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And we studied about 100 multiplying by 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 800 and yes, 900. Listen, next, second problem. Listen, Lakshman packed listen, Lakshman packed 75 apples. 75 apples in one basket. In one basket. Listen. How many apples? How many apples in 24? In 24 such baskets. Lakshman packed 75 apples in one basket. Listen, 75 apples in one basket. Listen, how many apples in 24 such baskets? Listen, all of you listen. Number of apples listen, number of apples in one box. In one box. Listen, equal 75. Number of apples in one box equal to 75. Next, number of apples in 24 boxes equal 75 into 24. 75 into 24. Listen. 75 into 24. Listen. This ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. Hundreds and thousands. Listen carefully. Listen. 4 into 5. Yes. 4 into 5. 20. Write 0 in ones place. Carry 2 in tens place. Next, 4 into 7. 4 into 7 equal 28. 28 plus 2 equal 30. 3, 0 into tens place and 3 in hundreds place. Next, we are going to multiply in a tens place number. Which number? In 24, tens place number is 2. 2 into 5. 2 into 5 equal 2 into 5, 10. 0 in tens place. There is no number. There is no number. 2 is the tens place number. That's so we write the products of 2 into 5 in tens place. 2 into 5 equal 10. 0 write in tens place and 1 carry into tens place. Okay. Next, 2 into 7. 2 into 7. Say 2 into 7 equal 2 into 7 equal 14. 14 plus 1. This one. Second one. This one. Listen. 14 plus 1. 15. 1. This number 1 right on thousands place. Listen. 0, 0, 0. We add these two numbers. 0 and 8. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Next 1800. Okay. 1800. All of you write it in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. Do you finish? Do you finish? Okay. Next one, third one. Listen here. Anju solved. Anju solves 28 arithmetic problems. All of you listen here. Problems every day. Every day for 18 days. 18 days. Okay. How many arithmetic problems? How many arithmetic problems? Arithmetic problems did she solve altogether? Listen. Altogether. Listen. All of you listen. Anju solved 28 arithmetic problems every day for 18 days. Listen. How many arithmetic problems did she solve altogether? Okay. Listen. All of you write this question in your notebook. Write it in your notebook. And listen here. And listen. Number of arithmetic problems. Number of arithmetic problems every day. Equal 18. Listen here. 18. Number of problems. Sorry. 28. 28. Number of problems. In 18 days. 18 days equal 28 into 18. 28 into 18. Listen. 28 into 18. Listen here. This ones place, next tens place, hundreds place. Listen. Listen. First of all, we do this 8 into 8. 8 into 8, 64. 8 into 8, 64. 4 right in ones place. Ones place. Next, carry 6 on tens place. Okay. Next, 2 into 8. 2 into 8 equal 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22. Listen, 2 in the hundreds place. All of you listen the places of numbers. You carefully listen the places of numbers. Listen. Next, 1 into 8. 1 into 8 equal 8. There is no number. There is no number. This is the tens place number. 1 into 2. The product will write in tens place. Okay. Good. Next, 2 into 1 or 1 into 2. 1 into 2 equal 2. We add these two products. Listen. Next, first 8 into 28. Next, 1 into 28. Yes. 8 into 28 equal 224. And 1 into 28 equal 28. We are going to add these two numbers. 4, 8 plus 2. Yes, good. 8 plus 2 equal 10. 0. Next 1. 1 plus 2. 3. 3 plus 2. Yes, 5. Okay. All of you write it in your notebook. There are some problems in your textbook. Page number 47. Page number 47. All of you write it in your notebook carefully. Okay? All of you write it in your notebook. Solve the word problem. Okay? Our first chapter is over. Our first chapter, multiplication, is over. It is the time for bind up. This much for today. Thank you for watching my online class. Thank you everyone.